caramelized. And now I just added a little bit of water. Again, this gets really smoky, and you have to know exactly when to add the water. It took me years of practice to actually get it to do like this. So what I'm going to do right now is add my chicken. And a lot of times I don't add as much water. You could just add a very little or even no water sometimes. And just cover this and just throw your chicken in. But I have a whole container of chicken. So I wanted to add a little bit of water, and also didn't want it to get too caramelized because then it starts sticking to the bottom.